Hello friend, in this video we are going to watch beautiful potting mix idea for Bougainvillea plant. Potting mix is very important for more flowers. These plants are blooming very nicely. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch every videos. To prepare the potting mix we are taking garden soil. This is garden soil. We are taking decomposed cow dung. This is decomposed cow dung. We will take 30 to 40% cow dung and 60 to 70% garden soil. Watch the video till the end to watch entire process. We will mix them well. Use a regular potting soil without a high level of peat moss. Too much peat retains moisture and may result in root rot. Soil should be well drained, slightly acidic with pH between 5.5 to 6. To make the soil acidic, we can mix some vinegar with the soil. Soil is ready. Now we will plant them in container. Bougainvillea won't do well in the soil that retains too much water. The container should have drainage hole and cover the hole with the brick chips. Now fill it with the potting mix. After watching this video, you can visit this channel to watch beautiful Bougainvillea varieties with their names or IDs. It will grow best in full sun position. We will keep this plant in shady place for 1 week. Then we will place them in full sun location. Try to place the plant in the center of the container. The cow dung will work as slow release fertilizer. Bougainvillea is heavy feeder. Gently press the soil to remove air gaps. You can use a water-soluble fertilizer mixed at half strength every 7 to 14 days. Now we will apply water to the soil. Don't allow the soil to become completely dry. I hope you find this video useful. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe to this channel clicking the subscribe button to never miss any video. Thank you very much for watching this video.